How to use voice changer on Discord. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go on Play Store on your mobile and on Google or whatever app you use to download any software on your desktop. Then you have to go and search for voice changer on your Android or Apple, and go for Jellyfish or Clownfish on your desktop. These are the best apps. Now you have to download this app on your mobile or on your desktop. If you download it, then over here, then use the microphone that you want to use as a voice changer microphone. Use this. Then you have to go on the Discord option. As you go on the Discord option, then you have to go on the profile option that is located down below, and then you have to go on settings option. Now under app setting, you will have voice and video. As you click on voice and video option, now over here you will have an option of input mode. As you click on input mode, now you will have option of input activity. As you click on input activity, that this will make sure that your input is by input activity. Now another option is that you can also turn on voice overlay. As you turn on voice overlay, it will always make sure that you overlay your voice. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.